Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and this would be the second part of our Copilot Studio series. Now in this video we'll see how to create your first topic and we'll use a variable as well. So for that let's create a agent from scratch. So I will go with this blank agent. Okay, so just a second here, my agent is getting ready. Okay, just now my agent is provisioned. Now I can create my agent. I will give it a name like demo agent. And for now, like everything else, I will keep it as usual. Okay, because we are interested, in creating our first topic. So for that, let's consider the scenario first. Okay, so I will open my notepad here. So we'll take a very simple and small example. Okay. So let's say you have a demo app. Okay, let's say you have a new fresh app named as demo app. It could be in your mobile phone. Okay, and let's say when you will log into this particular app, the app will ask how much money you want to submit, something like that. Okay, so for example, let's say you install this particular app, and this is a saving app. Okay, so let's say you simply enter here that I'm going to you know, uh, just add 100 rupees in this particular app. So now the app will give you answer something like that. Now my balance is, so you will give a bonus of 100 rupees, for the user. So the total will become 200. Okay, so let me say it again if you didn't understand it. I will simply create a very, basic topic as still, we are at the basics of this Copilot Studio series. So we'll simply ask the user that how much money you want to submit, okay, or how much money you want to earn. If the user will say anything, for example, he could say this X amount, right? So what we'll do in our output, we'll say that we'll provide you 100 rupees cashback as you are doing your first transaction, okay, something like that. So let's create a topic for this. For that, first thing is that you need to go to your agent. Once you go to your agent, then here you can create a topic. So I will create a topic from blank, okay, and here I will say demo app login. I need to give a phrase, when this topic will get triggered, okay, so I can give multiple phrases here, but for now I'm only going to give a single one because we are just doing a demo. Then our app will ask a question, okay. So inside our question, we can say that how much amount you want to add, question mark, okay. Then this is interesting thing here, okay. Here, let me click on identity. So we'll see what is entity, what are variables in our next upcoming videos. But for now, the only thing that you need to understand is you have an entity named as money. Okay, it is out of the box available. I will show you where exactly this is available in our entity video. But you can simply click on this. Okay, as soon as you click here, you see your data type automatically change to number, because when you will enter an amount, it should be a number, right? It can't be a string. Okay, and here further you can click on this variable and you can give a good name here. So let me again click here. You simply need to click here, close this. Let me again click. Sometimes Copilot will give you some weird issues. So you can see the variable named as amount. Okay, now as soon as you click here, this will get changed to amount. Okay, then user will enter a certain amount, and what we want to do, we want to add $100 or it could be any currency to user account. Okay, so for that I will, as see this Copilot is used as a chatbot. Okay, so we are doing an interactive session with user. When we'll build a real case scenario, at that time you will do a lot of validation, as this is just for demo. So that's why We're hypothetically actually considering a situation because we are learning at this moment. We are building our basics. Now you ask a question, to user here, then you will send a message. Okay. So say you can say something like this: welcome to our demo app. As you have submitted, something like this. You have submitted how much amount? This much amount, right? This much amount. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let me correct the spelling here. Come down. 7G TIONS. Congratulations. We are giving you 100 USD. So your total becomes, stop here. So your total amount in our app is, you will simply, okay, yeah, now here is an interesting thing. So basically, you can use this formula button here, okay, and then here you can write topic. Once you write the topic, then put a dot here. Here you see you will get all the variables. Simply, do this and simply do a plus, okay, and put 100 here. That's it. That is what you need. Simply click on insert. Okay, as soon as you click on insert, you can save this, and here you can give a name. You can say first topic creation, and you can save this. So most of the time you will work on topic section only. So wait for this to get saved. Now as soon as you will save this, you can test output from here. If you want to start a new session, simply click on this. Okay, whenever you are doing a change, it is recommended to start a new session. Now I need to trigger this. How can I trigger this? I will need to enter this phrase, right? I can say demo app login. All right, then see, currently this is completed. Now we are into this. It is asking how much amount you want to add. So I will say I want to add 1000 USD in this app. Okay, then the output should be now your balance, or it's 1110. I hope you understand how you can create your first topic in Copilot Studio, and we have also seen how we can use variables and how even we can do some calculation with our variables. So thank you for watching this video.